Hey Salam, I hope you guys doing well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making a mouth-watering lasagna. This is one of the best and easy recipe for lasagna. Let me give you a quick overview of this dish. We're gonna start with our Ragu Bolognese sauce, then we're gonna make our Bechamel sauce, also known as white sauce. We're then gonna cook our lasagna sheets, assemble everything. It's gonna be amazing. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. We are going to start with an onion. Finely chop this. Also gonna use a bit of the garlic. And then you can easily peel off the skin. Just roughly chop your garlic. Here I've got some chorizo. You could also use beef pancetta. You want to roughly chop this. This would add a really nice flavor to our lasagna. That looks good. Grab a pan and turn the heat to medium. Add a good touch of oil. And with the chorizo or beef pancetta. Just cook for a minute to release all those flavors. And with your beef mince, just break it down so there are no large pieces. As you can see, I've completely broken down the mixture and the beef has started to release its water. You just want to dry some of this water. Now throw in the onions, garlic, give this a mix. Once your mix is, just give it another 30 seconds. You just want to cook those onions and garlic a bit. Secret to good Ragu Bolognese sauce is tomato paste. Add that in and give that a mix. We're also gonna add our chopped tomatoes. I'm using tin tomatoes. Give that a mix. Season with a good touch of black pepper and just a touch of salt, because we're going to add the beef stock and it's gonna have salt. And with the beef stock, just want to completely cover the mince. And now you want to let it cook for at least an hour until the sauce is reduced in half. Turn the heat to low and cover. Alright, let's have a look. Give it a mix. The sauce looks delicious. As you can see, the water is reduced. And that's exactly what you're looking for. Not much water left, but there's still some liquid. Just turn off the heat at this point. Let's have a little taste. So rich. So delicious. For the bechamel sauce, turn the heat to medium-low. In with the butter and flour. Give that a mix and cook the rawness of the flour. We call flour and butter mixture roux. Alright, so the mixture is light brown, as we can see. At this point in time, you just want to add in the milk slowly. Now it's best to use warm milk. Slowly add in the milk and continue to mix this. You want to combine that milk and the mixture together. Season with a touch of salt, black pepper, and just a touch of nutmeg. Give this a mix, and you just want to keep stirring it for around 8 to 10 minutes until the sauce gets nice and thick. Alright, so that looks great. The sauce is nice and thick. At this point in time, you just want to turn off the heat. Have a little taste. Just check out the consistency. That's exactly what you're looking for. Now mainly there are two types of lasagna pasta sheets. Here I've got the fresh egg pasta sheets, which I'm gonna use today. And another type is these dry lasagna sheets. Now if you're using one of these, make sure you boil them. If you're using fresh egg lasagna sheets, you have to boil them for around 2 minutes. These ones would take around 9 to 10 minutes to boil. Now if you want a really good lasagna, make sure to always boil your lasagna sheets. Just make sure to use a large pan here so your pasta doesn't stick together. So I'm just gonna start adding them in. Alright, so just let them cook for around 2 minutes and then we're gonna remove them. Now if you're using fresh egg pasta sheets like these ones, how you remove them is you just fold them in half and just pick it up. This way they won't break. Alright, so our Ragu Bolognese sauce is ready. Bechamel sauce, fresh mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese, and our fresh egg pasta. Grab your oven tray. Alright, first of all you want to start by adding some of the Ragu sauce on the bottom. Just a little bit. Grab your lasagna sheets and start adding them on the top. Now if they're too large you might need to cut them. Add some more of that sauce. Be generous. Some of the bechamel sauce. Now we're gonna add some of the mozzarella cheese and some of the cheddar cheese. Another layer of pasta goes on the top. You want to add around 5 to 6 layers of this pasta. And trust me, it smells amazing. Alright, we're nearly there. Final layer of pasta goes on the top. Final layer of meat on the top. Just make sure to cover all the areas because I don't want any crispy pasta. Add a good touch of cheddar cheese on the top. And finally our mozzarella cheese. Alright, now this goes into our preheated oven at 175 Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes until the cheese is completely melted and nice and brown. It's really hot, so you want to let it cool down. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. So delicious. Mouth watering. The sauces are perfectly cooked. It's so heartwarming. One of the best lasagna recipe. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Big for your mom, big for your dad, big for your family. Enjoy.